Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have here? The bargain bead box for March of 2024. Before I open it, I wanted to let you know I wrote this down. Lauren from Bargain Bead Box had, they have a Facebook channel, and she had put a few comments about this box, a few little mishaps. So the numbers are back on the labels, just so everybody knows. I guess she said everybody wanted that to happen. So the numbers are back on the labels on the packages. Two of the labels have small typos. One is the amazonite strand. It says that it's 25 inches and it's really 14.5 inches. And the other one is, it's supposed to say half drilled on top, not top drilled. So I will show you them when we get to them. Other than that, I don't know. I just saw one little sneak peek, and this is called Seafoam Sunrise Collection, and there's 17 pieces, and the 17th one is a free bonus. So it says the total for this is $89.84. And it's got the price of each one. And let me see. I'll just go to here. It says, get ready for spring break. Vacation vibes abound with an array of amazonite, including a top-drilled teardrop focal, high-quality 8mm rounds, and micro-faceted 3mm beads, plus a pair of faceted half-drilled drops and a strand of matte flower amazonite. In addition to this blue-green beauty, you'll find frosted 10mm agate beads and sparkling crystals in peachy sunrise hues, plus antique copper findings with fun swirl motifs. That sounds really pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. I love these colors together. Oh my God. Okay. Nobody told me today was my birthday. Oh, look at these. These are the faceted drop beads, marble mint. Look at those. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh, I'm going to use this whole box up. This will be gone. And here, these are the half drilled ones. So what it says is, okay, and that's the pendant. So actually what she had said in the video is you could take a little bit of glue, put it in there, and stick like a head pin or eye pin in there and use it like that. Oh, and a meter chain. Oh, how pretty. Okay, let me get these beauties in order and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with number one. It's approximately 30 by 18mm amazonite teardrop pendant, and said it's $8.99. Oh, this is really pretty. So it's got the flat like that. So this would be the back. Oh, look at the striations in that. How pretty is this? Oh, I cannot wait to work with this box. This box is gorgeous. We will definitely be using up every single thing in here. And number two is 3mm amazonite faceted round beads, 15 inches. And it's saying it's $9.99. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You can, just this alone, you can make two-strand bracelet just from this alone. Look how pretty these are. These make great spacers too. They've got that little bit of sparkle from the faceted sides, and so makes a good spacer bead. And number 3 is 18 by 16 millimeter Amazonite faceted top drilled teardrops. Okay, and these are the ones that are supposed to be half drilled and top, not top drilled. So let me see. I know I have, let me see. I have an eye pen right here. I will show you. Let me grab it out of this. Hold on, let me grab it out of this little dish here. It's with a bunch of others. Hold on one second. Okay. So just so you can see what it's, so it goes in like this. So top drilled would be going this way or this way. So this is half drilled. So it goes in about that much. And that one too. So yeah, what Lauren had said in the video is you could use a little bit of jewelry glue and stick eye pin or head pin in there or whatever. Now each one of these is just a little bit different, but she had said that too, and these are faceted. So if you're making a pair of earrings, they're not going to be exactly the same, but you know, that's what happens when you have gemstones. You know, they're not perfectly the same. Sometimes they, you know, have different colors and hues to them. So number 4 is 8 millimeter Amazonite round beads, 7.5 inches. And it said these are $12.99. Very pretty color. The holes look like they're well drilled. A nice long strand here. This is perfect for spring. This is beach right here. And now this is the next one, number 5 at 8 millimeter flower Amazonite matte round beads. Now it says 24.5 inches. It's really 12, where's that? It's 14.5 inches. So this is one of the typos, and it says it's $7.99. Look how pretty these are. Wow. So excited. I saw on Friday that it said that my box was shipped, and I was so excited. I'm like, oh, I can't wait to get it. I heard the mailman come, and I ran out there to get my box to do the unboxing. So these are beautiful. And number 6 is 10 millimeter agate dyed heated matte round beads, 7.5 inches. And it says it's $7.99. So these are pretty. Look at all the different striations in them. So there's more than one gemstone type in these. These are so pretty. The light peach color in these is really pretty. So we'll put this one in. And next is number 7, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal faceted rondo beads, peaches and cream mix, $4.99. This is really, oh wow. Oh, look at this. How long is this? It doesn't say. Let me get my ruler out here. I have been getting ready for another market here, so I have been crazy busy. So let me see, 12. That's 18 inches. Look at that. Look at those colors. Peaches and cream. That is perfect. Look at the sparkle in here. Oh, gorgeous. I think I'm going to have to do a couple stretch bracelets with these two. That is like my new thing now. I can't stop making stretch bracelets. So I'm taking like the bead boxes that I get, and then like all the leftover beads, I'm creating like some stacked wraps. So I'm just creating like 3 or 4 of them. So this is number 8, 8mm crystal faceted drop beads, marbled mint, approximately 10 inches for $4.99. Oh, look at these. This is really pretty. Look at those. And I'm picturing like some tan skin this summer and maybe a pina colada. Okay, so we have those. And number 9 is 2 pieces of 34 by 22mm filigree teardrop pendants, lead, nickel, cadmium free, for $2.99. And of course, these always make great earrings. Oh, these are pretty. And it's great because when you get these filigrees, you can attach things here at the bottom or around. You could wire wrap that with some beads. You can, there's a lot you can do with these. Or you can use these at the bottom and dangle a few beads there and then attach them to some ear wires. Number 10 is 19 by 16mm scrolled chandelier findings, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 4 pieces for $2.99. So these are pretty. That's the back side, and then that's the front. You can use these a ton of different ways. You can hang them this way and put three ones there, or you can do them like this on a necklace and have 3 different layers. These are really pretty. Okay, number 11 is 7 by 5mm ornate lantern spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 10 grams, $3.99. These are pretty. These got some weight to them. So those are nice. And number 12 is 7mm scrolled bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 30 pieces for $2.99. Oh, these got a cool look to them. That's the front, and then here's the back right there. It's kind of pretty. This will not be hard to use up every single bead in this box. I've been really happy with the bargain bead boxes stuff. Number 13 is modern floral toggle clasp, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 3 sets for $2.99. So this is pretty. Oh, and it's the same on both sides, so that's nice. There's 3 sets. You can make a lot of jewelry with this. Okay. And next is number 14, 5 by 3mm steel cable jewelry chain, lead, nickel free, 1 meter. I'll open it up even though we've seen it, but let's open it just to. This is a little bigger of a hole, which is nice. So we got this. And next is number 15, 15 by 10mm brass leverback earring components, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 10 pieces for $1.99. So here we have this. It's your basic leverback. Okay. And there's 2 more. Number 16, 40mm 22 gauge steel eye pins, nickel free, 5 grams, $1.99. There's your basic eye pins, but it's nice to get some findings in these. And then this last one is a bonus. It's a 12 by 6mm brass pinch bail antique copper. Let's check this out. This will probably go, yeah, it's nice. That's the front. So I'm sure it will go with this pendant. So that is everything for the March 2024 Seafoam Sunrise Collection for Bargain Bead Box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and you know I will be posting some videos very soon. So stay tuned. I will leave a link to Bargain Bead Box below if you're interested in checking out their website. And I will also leave links to all my social media, my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest pages. And I do sell most of the jewelry I make. I sell it on my Etsy store. So if you're interested, you can go and check it out. I'll leave the link below, like I said. And I hope you subscribe to my channel and you like it and you share my videos, because it really helps me to keep creating content, and it helps the algorithms for my my YouTube channel. So with that, I will leave you, and I will see you very soon with some great tutorials. So have a great night, and thank you so much for watching.